Hello guys, today's topic is how to calculate stress, strain, displacement, factor of safety of a spring in SOLIDWORKS. Okay, let's start. Previously I created already spring and plate also. You can check my previous videos how to create a spring. This is the spring and this one is the plate. Okay, then assembly. Okay, then go to the assembly. This plate, then spring. Front plane, then front plane, just click for, then this one also, right plane, okay, then what will do, same thing, this one also, front plane, okay, then the turn auto plane, right side plane, okay, putting the center only. Then same thing, same plate, put over here. The plate thickness is 3 mm. Okay. Give the constants with base plate. Then just save it. Offset. Just save it. Okay. Then go to the simulation. New study. Okay. First, just give the fixed part. This is the base. Base is fixed. Then force is in that plate only. How much force? Same force. Because you just get 200 Newton means 20 kg. Okay. Then enter. Okay. Then just go to the okay. The spring diameter is 10 mm. Okay. Spring wire diameter. Then draw study. See, here is the stress, displacement, strain. Then factor of safety also you can add over here. New part, factor of safety. Okay. This is the stress. You can see. This is the displacement. How much it is? You can see. 1.2 mm. This is the strain, and this is the factor of safety. Okay, 3.3. Then you can see that animation result also. First we have to go to displacement. This is stress area. displacement area. Okay, then okay, then this is the report. You can create the report also.